We would like to give a big shout out to our sponsor, Sonic Electronics, so check them out for great deals on speakers, head units, amps, subs, wiring, etc. Use discount code PROVOBEAST for an instant 5% off your next purchase during checkout. Hey guys, Chris from PROVOBEAST Audio Installation, and today we're going to show you how to do rear speakers in the soundbar on one of these Jeep Wrangler JKUs. Now, this install is going to show you what parts you'll need. It's going to show you how to get everything wired up correctly and reinstallation. Now, here we are inside the Jeep. We have our factory speakers in the soundbar, and what we're going to be doing is removing the factory speaker and actually replacing it with one of these coaxial Pioneer speakers. Now, this is the TS-A650R. I can post in the description unboxing of these speakers specifically, but what we're going to be using is a couple of additional parts to make this work. We have a adapter bracket, and I'll post in the description the part number to one of these in the event you're looking to purchase one yourself. And this wiring harness adapter, which plugs into the factory wiring. The benefit of these is there's no manual wiring involved. This just actually plugs in the factory harness. And that specifically hooks up to the terminals on the back of the speaker. And with this bracket, we're going to be using the grills that the speaker came with as well. So, first thing we're going to do here is get this speaker all unbolted. Now, they're hex bolts all the way around. There's 3 of them, and we're using a T15 to get that pulled out. Okay, so we got those 3. Get this last one out here. That should just drop right on down. Now the factory grill comes off, and it'll expose the factory wiring. Go ahead and push that little pin in. What that will do is disconnect the harness. Okay, there's our factory speaker. Let's go ahead and put that off to the side. Now, next thing we're going to do, using the 3 factory screws, we're going to put our aftermarket mount up in that same place. And those 3 holes will line up to the 3 factory holes in the soundbar itself. So let's get that mounted. Okay, so we got that bracket mounted. As you can see, the same holes and hardware that the factory speaker used. That's good to go. Now that provides us 4 mounting locations for our aftermarket speaker using the hardware that the speaker came with. Now we're going to use our wiring harness adapter and speaker and factory grill and get that bolted up. Okay, so it just plugs into the factory wiring. We're going to tuck that up and get the 4 screws in the speaker mounted. Okay, so I lined up the speaker bracket, got everything mounted to really where we wanted it, and now I just need to tighten all 4 speaker screws. Okay, got everything mounted, all good to go. That's about it. Super easy install. If you have any questions about replacing the speakers on your soundbar on your JK or JKU, Jeep Wrangler, go and post a comment below. Like I said, I'll have a couple links and specs in the description on the speakers we used and other helpful installs. Thanks guys for watching the channel, and we will see you in the next video.